We had previously imported AutoCAD images into PowerPoint, and now we're going to take those images and crop them and resize them appropriately for our PowerPoint slides. I can crop an image by double-clicking on it, and then from the ribbon in the top right corner there's a crop option, and that allows me to change the size or to crop out portions of the image. I don't need all this black space, so I'll crop it like that. I'll hit the crop button again, and then I can resize it by grabbing onto one of these round, I'll call them grips, and you can reposition it to center it however you like. I'll do the same thing with this image. I can crop it by selecting crop and resizing the crop window, and then hitting crop to finalize it, and then resize that image. Notice when I resize this image, the quality is not quite as good. Next image, the JPEG or the PNG, it's already about the right size, so I'll go ahead and leave that one. And we have the BMP. It's our highest quality image. If I double click on that, and I'll crop it, reduce the size of it, try to center it a bit. And after I crop it, when I resize this image, it should maintain its quality a little bit better, and it does, because it is a higher quality image. Now this was a screenshot, and so the cropping needs to be more, because it also included the additional screen on the computer. It's a dual screen monitor, but it doesn't make a difference for our crop. We can still come in and crop off all the portions that we need to and resize it and center it. You can crop more than once. If you don't get everything you want, you could come down and maybe I don't want that top border to show. I can bring this down just a little bit. Hit my crop. Here's another screenshot with more extra material to remove. Oftentimes you don't want the surrounding toolbars and programs and desktop and so forth to show up. You just want that image, and so this method allows you to crop all that out. Here I've got a little extra at the top border, so I'm just going to bring that, crop that down a little bit so you don't see that. And then if you need to resize it, in this case I'm going to make it a little smaller, we can do that, and you can move it just by left clicking and dragging. Got one more here that's similar. This was the PDF that we previously did a print screen of and pasted it in. So in this case I just want the drawing itself. A little background might be okay. If you crop too much, you can uncrop as well. So I'm going to back that out a little bit. I kind of like that gray border in there. It kind of sets it off a little bit. It's like a highlight or a shadow. Probably need just a little more on the top. Let's see. Yeah, so that looks good, and you can move that around and put it in the right position. If we wanted to see what the final result is of our cropping and our resizing, I could come up to the slideshow tab, and then I'm gonna select slideshow from the current slide. You can kind of get a feel for the quality of these. Not as good here with the copy and paste. The JPEG looks pretty nice. BMP is okay. Print screen actually looks pretty good. Here's the print preview and the print screen. It's a pretty good image there. And there's the print screen of the PDF, which also looks pretty good. So that's how we can crop and resize our AutoCAD images for use in PowerPoint.